this for the Pendle witches. Which female coming, man's or daughter of such of evil faith in the murk of Pendle Hill, a crone. Come across these things all over this area, it's brilliant. So head up into these woods, get some shelter, camp for a bit, have something to eat. It's very windy, so it should be better up in there. Definitely a lot less windier in here, although you can probably hear the trees are swaying up there. There's a lot of deer around in the forest. Just trying to find a flat area. It's really steep up here, as you can see. This looks pretty good. Should have built a bigger pond. So I love doing this, guys, so relaxing, brilliant for your health, your mental health, your well-being, your soul, absolutely brilliant. Every time I do this and I get home, I feel good. And the food tastes so much better outside as well. A lot of people say that, don't they? I don't know why, but it does seem to. We're getting there. But this is really ready for me. I don't like well done steaks. I like them rare. Medium rare, I'd say. Get rid of that bit of sausage, which is under it. There we go. I'll try that while I'm waiting for that. Just had to change the battery. Been out here for a while now. I've got 5 batteries on me. But definitely no rush, guys. That's what it's all about. It's about just getting out and enjoying nature like this. Like I always say, it's good for your health, it's good for your mental health. It's brilliant, good for your soul. It's free. What you're paying for is your food and maybe a bit of travel to get here. It's absolutely brilliant. Actually looks like it's clearing up a bit now. It's supposed to. A couple of times I've been caught out when the weather forecast said it's going to be clear and it's ended up being stormy and rainy. That's happened twice, but usually it's pretty accurate. If the forecast storms and rain, I won't be coming out, so I'm ready for this steak. It's taking its time. You've got a wind blowing, it's blowing cold air, it takes its time to cook. There's things you can do to shelter and all that lot, but like I said, can't be bothered, just relaxing. Right guys, let's eat. I think I'll start on the sausages, give that steak another minute or two. They're definitely done. Perfect. That was so good. Guys, please do like, share, subscribe, leave us a comment. I'll always reply. It's good to know who's on the channel watching these videos. You lot take care. Speak soon.